Welcome back, everybody. It's you Rehab, and I'm here to do the bicep thumb up hammer curl. And so with FLEXTEND, I've got 4 bands, well, 2 bands doubled over, so I have 4 tension bands because I really need a lot of tension for my strength anyway. So here we go. Again, up to 90 degrees only. You're not to enact the front shoulder or front deltoid and bring it up to your face because that pinches the anterior shoulder. So again, right here, all the way down, 90 degrees. All the way back up to 90, down. 4 sets of, however you want, but I do 10 to 12. And you can see it from the side. This is actually a lot of great muscle building to the brachioradialis, which is your bicep where it comes down and attaches to the forearm. The brachioradialis lies over that, and it gives you that knob and the outside of the forearm, as well as that flare on top of the forearm, which shows like a lot of size. If you want to build size there, if you want big forearms. Anyway, that's it for the thumb up bicep curl. You guys have a great day.